Welcome to ProjectSight's online training series. If you'd like to learn more about professional services or additional training opportunities, please contact your account manager. Now, let's get started with ProjectSight security roles.
Welcome back to the second video in our segment on ProjectSight administration. In this video, we will take a deep dive into security roles within the portfolio settings. So once again, to access your portfolio settings, you must be inside the portfolio, and then in your top left you have your navigation menu, and then you can find your portfolio settings here. So once here, you'll find your security roles, and a security role in ProjectSight is a set of permissions that is assigned to users. When you change permissions for a role, all the users in that role are affected. Now, I've chosen to go over security roles before adding users because before you can invite a new user into a portfolio, a security role must be assigned first. So, as you can see, here are the default security roles already within your system. And off to the far right over here is the three-dot icon next to each role. Clicking that icon will give you the option to make a copy of that role, open it in full form, or remove it completely. You'll notice that the portfolio administrator and standard user roles are static and cannot be removed. Up in your top right hand corner is the Create New icon, which will allow you to create a new role from scratch. Now, I always say, if you're creating a new role that is similar to one of your current ones with only minor tweaks and changes, utilize the Make Copy feature. On this page, you'll notice a few key areas. Off to the top right, we have options to copy this record or delete it. And then below, we can add the name and description for this new role. Now, because this new security role is a copy of a previous one in my system, the description is already pre-filled, but I can edit the description however I choose. Now, I'll go ahead and add the new name for this security role. Okay. Off to the left-hand side, you'll see tabs for Features, Records, and Fields. The Features tabs allows us to set permissions or access to the main features throughout the site, such as administration level abilities, the file library, specific record features, and linking options, or access to certain reports, as well as access to Trimble Connect. Under the Records tab, I can set the level of access that these users have to each record type. So you'll notice that you can give access to view, create, comment, modify, or remove records. So for example, for these users, maybe I only want them to be able to view, comment, and modify action items. So I'll find my document control here and expand, find action item, and uncheck the create and remove checkboxes. Under the Fields tab, I can set the level of access that these users have to each field within a record type. For example, if I don't want users under this role to be able to change the status of potential change orders, all I have to do is click the drop down here, find potential change order, expand fields, and find status. Now, there are 3 levels of access for each field within a record type. There's green for modify, blue for view only, and red is not visible at all. So I'll go ahead and change this to view only, where they can see the status, but they can't change it. You'll also notice that you can mass edit field access by clicking the icon next to the parent grouping. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and click Done here, and all of my changes will be saved for this new security role. So this concludes our video on security roles. Next up, I'll show you how to add companies, contacts, and invite new users to your portfolio. Thanks for watching.
If you'd like to learn more about professional services or additional training opportunities, please contact your account manager.